Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Zangi Messenger on a PC step by step. If you want to send messages or make calls from your computer instead of your phone, this guide will help you set it up easily. Let's get started. Zangi is a privacy-focused messaging application that allows users to send messages, make voice calls, and share files with minimal data usage. Although Zangi is mainly designed for smartphones, you can still use it on a PC using an Android emulator. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Install an Android emulator. First, you need an Android emulator on your computer. An emulator allows you to run mobile apps on your PC. Popular options include BlueStacks, LD Player, Nox Player. Download and install any one of these emulators from their official website. Step 2. Open the emulator. Once installed, launch the emulator on your computer. You will see an Android-like interface, similar to a smartphone. Step 3. Open Google Play Store. Inside the emulator, open the Google Play Store. Sign in with your Google account if required. Step 4. Install Zangi. Search for Zangi Messenger in the Play Store. Install the app just like you would on a phone. Step 5. Set up your Zangi account. After installation, open the Zangi app. Create a new account or log into your existing account. You may need to verify your account using your phone number. Step 6. Start using Zangi on PC. Once the setup is complete, you can send messages, make voice calls, share files, all directly from your computer. Using Zangi on a PC can be convenient if you spend a lot of time working on your computer and prefer typing on a keyboard. And that's it. That's how you use Zangi Messenger on a PC step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical messaging app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.